Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to delete cookies on Google Chrome on Android. You can choose to delete existing cookies, allow or block all cookies, and set preferences for a certain website. What cookies are? Cookies are files created by a website that you go to. They save browsing information to make your online experience easier. With cookies, sites can keep you signed in, remember your site preference, and give you locally relevant content. There are two types of cookies. First-party cookies. They are created by the site that you go to. The site is shown in the address bar. Third-party cookies are created by other sites. These sites own some of the content like ads or images that you find on the page. So, to clear all cookies, if you remove cookies, you'll be signed out of websites and your saved preferences could be deleted. So, on your Android device, open Chrome. At the top right, tap the three dots on the upper right. Then click on Settings. Now tap the Privacy and Security. Next is tap Clear Browsing Data. Then choose the time range like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Then check cookies and site data. And uncheck all the other items. Then tap Clear Data. Then just play Clear. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!